In this video, I am going to discuss about multiple choice type of question of chapter number 1, reproduction in living organism. So let's begin. Question number 1. The process of organ formation start due to differentiation. Question number 2. The fertilized eggs of reptiles and birds are covered with calcareous cell. Due to this, the zygote pass from which phase? So it is a incubation phase. Next, in angiosperm, which part of the flower shed off after fertilization? So answer is all sepal, petals and stamens. Next, in angiosperm, which part of the flower remain attached to plant after fertilization? So answer is C, pistil. Inside the pistil, seed will develop. Next, the plant which bears only one kind of spore during sporophytic stage are known as homosporous. It means all the spores are in similar structure. Next, the plant which bears two types of spore during sporophytic stage are known as heterosporous. It means male and female spore are of different size. Next, which type of spores are produced by some pteridophyte and gymnosperm? So answer is C, heterospore. Male spore is small and female spore is large. Next, morphologically and physiologically distinct gametes are called as heterogametes. Next, by which medium gametes of algae, bryophyte and pteridophyte move for fertilization? So answer is water medium. Which structure provides surface for the settlement of pollen grain in angiosperm plant? Answer is stigma. Where do pollen grain germinate? So it germinate on stigma. Which structure is produced on germination on pollen grain? So pollen tube will grow after pollen germination. In which organ the growth of pollen tube is observed till it reach the ovule? So answer is style. Through style, pollen tube grow and reach to ovule. Development of zygote result in formation of embryo. Next, which of the following is not a post fertilization event? So answer is pollination, because after fertilization zygote and embryo will develop. Next, which option is correct for statement X and Y? So statement X, formation of zygote is common in all sexually reproducing organism. And statement Y, zygote is formed inside the body of organism. So here both the statement are correct, but Y is not correct region of X. In dash, zygote develop a thick wall that is resistant to desiccation and damage. So answer is algae and fungi. Next, a method of sexual reproduction where gametes are exchanged through temporary cytoplasmic bridge. Answer is conjugation. Which of the following is an example of conjugation? Answer is paramecium. Next, a mode of sexual reproduction. Answer is conjugation. Raised, binary fission, multiple fission and fragmentation are result of asexual reproduction. Next, dash is the vital link that ensure continuity of species between organism of one generation and next generation. Answer is zygote. During embryogenesis, dash is undergo into which stage? So answer is D. Zygote, it undergo into only cell differentiation. Which of the following statement is false for oviparous animal? So answer is zygote development occur inside the female body. Which of the following statement are true for viviparous animal? So answer is C. 1, 2 and 3 statement are true. 1. Zygote develop into a young one inside the body of female parent. 2. Young one are delivered out of the body of the female parent. 3. Proper embryonic care and protection is given to young one. Next, in angiosperm, after fertilization, dash remain attached to plant. Answer is A. Pistil. Next, in angiosperm, ovary develops into fruit. Next, how many male gametes are released by pollen tube near the egg cell in angiosperm? Answer is 2. The fusion of two similar or dissimilar gametes is called as syngamy, and after syngamy it result into diploid zygote. Answer is D. Next, the process of fusion of two similar or dissimilar gamete is called as answer D, fertilization and syngamy. In which of the following syngamy does not occur in external medium? Answer is reptiles. Next, external fertilization is seen in dash. Answer is C, both A and B. Which of the following statement is false for external fertilization? Answer is fertilization occur inside the body of organism. Gamete transfer take place through water in answer is B, algae, bryophyte and pteridophyte. Which option is correct for statement X and Y? Answer is A. X and Y both are correct and Y is correct region of X. Statement X, a large number of male gametes fail to reach the female gamete, and Y, the number of male gamete produced is several thousands. Which option is correct for statement X and Y? Answer is A. X and Y both are correct and Y is correct region of X. Statement X, the sexual reproduction is characterized by the fusion of male and female gamete of the species. Statement Y, all sexually reproducing organisms show event and process which have fundamental similarities. Gametogenesis is the process of formation of gametes. If two gametes are similar in appearance, they are called as isogametes. Isogametes are found in option A, Cladophora and Eulothrix. Multiple fission is option B, multiple division of nucleus in encysted amoeba and production of large number of amoeba under favorable condition. Next, which option is correct for statement X and Y? So statement X, sexual reproduction is slow and complex process, and Y, sexual reproduction in is result in offspring that are not identical to parent or amongst themselves. Here answer is option D. X and Y both are correct and Y is not correct region of X. Juvenile phase is stage of growth and maturity animal like before they can reproduce sexually. Next, stage of growth and maturity in plant life before they can reproduce sexually is called as vegetative phase. Which of the following is propagated by means of cutting? Answer is D, all of these: sugarcane, coffee and citrus. Next, clones are answer is D, all of the above. Plant raised from a single parent, population of plant produced vegetatively and genetically all are similar to parent. Vegetative reproduction occurs through root in asparagus. Next, example of vegetative reproduction through stems are called. Answer is D, all above. Next, which of the following does not reproduce vegetatively through stem? So answer is sweet potato because it reproduces through root. In Dioscorea, vegetative reproduction occurs through axillary bud. Next, in which plant the cut piece of root are planted in moist soil and development of root is artificially induced? Answer is A. Lemon and tamarind. Which algae produce adventitious branch for reproduction? Answer is D. A and B both, Dictyota and Fucus. Next, which of the following algae does not reproduce by fragmentation? So answer is B. Protosiphon. Next, in mucor, asexual reproduction occurs by option is B. Budding. Which option is correct for statement X and Y? Statement X, conidia are light dry and provided with a tough coat. Y, conidia are dispersed by wind. So here answer is A. X and Y both are correct and Y is correct region of X. Next, non-flagellate and non-motile spore are produced by. Answer is B. Penicillium. Next, when condition become favorable, the nucleus of encysted amoeba undergoes multiple division and large number of amoeba are produced. These are called as option C, pseudopodiospore. Sporulation occur during unfavorable condition in amoeba. Next, which type of reproduction is seen in amoeba and paramecium? Answer is C, by sporulation. Which option is correct for statement X and Y? So here answer is A. X and Y both are correct and Y is correct region of X. Statement X, in Spongilla and Cycon, gamules give rise to new animal. And statement Y, gamules are also called as internal bud and this type of reproduction is called endogenous budding. Which option shows all correct statement above fragmentation? So answer is C, 2 and 3. The body become fragmented into several distinct parts and 3. Each part develop the remaining body parts and become a complete animal. Which of the following is true for asexual reproduction? Answer is a single parent participate in reproduction. Which of the following statements are false for asexual reproduction? Answer is statement 3 and 4 are false. A haploid gamete produced by which division? So answer is by mitotic division. Which of the following statement is related to sexual reproduction in animal? So answer is B, gamete formation occur. Next, fission is observed in option C, protist and monerans. Simple binary fission is seen in answer A, paramecium and C. In both we can see simple binary fission. Next, binary fission involves option A, mitosis only. Next, sporulation occurs in answer A, plasmodium. Which plant carries out vegetative reproduction with the help of root? Answer is D, dahlia. Next, which plant carry out vegetative reproduction with the help of floral bud? Answer is A, oxalis. Which part in the plant bryophyllum take place in vegetative reproduction? Answer is D, bud in leaf margin. Next, which special method of vegetative reproduction occurs in nephrolepsis? Answer is B, stolon. Which one of the following is not the natural method of vegetative reproduction? So answer is cutting. Next, chromosome number in meiocytes of apple is answer B 34. Conjugation as a sexual reproduction occurs in which animal? Answer is paramecium. Next, development of zygote which take place outside the body is called as oviparous. Which part would be most suitable for raising virus-free plant for micropropagation? Answer is C. Meristem. Choose the correct statement from amongst the following. Answer is C. Dioecious organisms are seen in plants and animals. Next, external fertilization occurs in majority of. Answer is option A. Algae. Next, reproduction in amoeba take place by binary fission. Next, what is flagellate motile spore called? It is called as zoospore. Next, non-flagellate spores known as conidia are found in A. Penicillium. Which animal reproduce by exogenous budding? Answer is A. Hydra. Which animal reproduce by multiple fission? Answer is B. Plasmodium. Vegetative propagation in Pistia occurs by option B. Offset. The mode of asexual reproduction in bacteria is called endospore formation. A few plants exhibit unusual flowering phenomenon. In which of them flower only once in their lifetime, generally after 50 to 100 years? Answer is bamboo. Reproduction without gametic union is called as parthenogenesis. Which organ does not show vegetative reproduction? Answer is flower. Plant identical to mother plant can be obtained through stem cutting. Underground stem of ginger and turmeric is called as rhizome. Example of corm is colocasia. Which of the following is a post-fertilization event in flowering plant? Answer is embryo development. Next, product of sexual reproduction generally generate new genetic combination leading to variation. When seed are attached to parent plant, the type of germination is called as vivipary. Next, which of the following is hermaphrodite? Answer is C. Earthworm. There is no natural death in single cell organism like amoeba and bacteria because parental body is distributed amongst the offspring. The male gamete of rice plant have 12 chromosomes in their nucleus. So, the chromosome number in female gamete is also 12. Zygote has diploid means 24 and the cell has 24 chromosomes. Thank you for watching.